everybody! Today me and my brother will be showing you how to cook kutsinta. Kutsinta is a native sweet Filipino snack that are like small steamed sticky rice cakes. It is brown or reddish in color because it is sweetened with brown sugar that is further enhanced using annatto powder. It is usually eaten with grated coconut or latik. Today, we will be using freshly grated coconut. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of coconut water or tap water, 2 teaspoons of lye water, 1 teaspoon of annatto powder dissolved in 1 tablespoon coconut water or tap water, shredded coconut for toppings. In a bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, tapioca flour, and sugar. Then mix thoroughly. Add in the coconut water and stir until sugar is dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Stir in the lye water. Gradually add the annatto mixture and mix well. I only want to have an orange color and not too red. Then set aside. Slightly grease your kutsinta molds with oil so that it will be easier to remove the kutsinta after cooking. Fill the molds about 3/4 full. transfer the molds into your steamer and we're ready to cook. Steam the kutsinta for 40 minutes or until top is set when touched. Remove the cooked kutsinta from the steamer and allow to cool before removing from molds. Roll the kutsinta to the grated coconut. Our kutsinta is now ready. Yummy! Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to follow me on the second part of this video, where I'll be giving you some recipe notes. See you there!